Oh, what?
Today, I want it to be like a Mother's Day special where you can wake up and then make a really healthy waffles for your mother. About today is about osteoporosis prevention because 1 in 3 women actually are at risk of osteoporotic fracture. Just mix it all up. That's it. And so you have your waffle mixture over here. I'm just gonna stack them up so high that they become like a waffle cake.
You just hang in there. I'm on my way to you now, okay? I'll see you in a while.
So 10 grams a day of 70% cocoa or chocolate is actually good for health.
So I mean, if I'm taking glucosamine, do I still need to take calcium?
Yes, you will still need to take calcium. They wish everybody to have strong bones by having enough calcium and exercise and vitamin D. And to get vitamin D, just remember, go outdoors a little bit, get some sunlight, and also cherish, wonderful moments. If your mother's still around, make sure you make her feel special.
Oh, thank you so much, Bibi.